What's up, guys? Could you imagine saving ten to $12,000 on some of the flips that you're doing every year, or maybe even all the flips that you're doing? That's today's video. Let's jump into it. What's up? It's Mike Banks with Fund and Growth. Even though they look at your personal credit, they don't report business credit lines onto your personal credit report. That's huge.
Fund and Grow, and they have literally helped thousands of our clients out there.
Having access to credit is kind of what motivated me to do that. It pushed me over that edge and said, stop, being hesitant, just do it, jump in. So
teamed up, and my wife and I were able to get access to right around $180,000.
Bottom line, right? What you do is your company goes out there and you basically line up funding for people.
These guys are experts in getting you business lines of credit at 0% interest.
It's our intention and our team's intention to help every single client that walks in the door with us to get hundreds of thousands of dollars of funding to help our families and communities grow by creating thriving, successful businesses.
what's up, guys? My name is Mike Banks. I'm a real estate investor here in the Tampa, Florida area, and I work with a lot of investors who are buying properties, fixing them up, renting them out, flipping them, and a lot of these guys are using hard money. We're all using hard money, but there's a great alternative, and it's called business credit lines. They don't show up on your personal credit report, and you will literally be able to save $10,000 to $12,000 on a flip. Now, I had just interviewed a client. He did 6 cash deals. He bought all those deals with the credit lines that we got for him. And then I interviewed another client who closed 2 deals as a cash buyer. He goes on to explain to me in this video how he is in the middle of a flip with a hard money loan, and it ended up taking him like 9 months longer than expected, and he's spending way more because of that. It's roughly like $1,600 a month. He's at about 9% interest. So he's going to end up spending $12,000. He tells me in the clip. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and play the clip for you real quick.
I'm literally in a flip deal, and I'm having that same issue before I came into Fund and Grow. So we did the deal, hard money lender, 9% interest monthly. It took a little bit longer than normal. So, $1,600 a month for like 9 months because we couldn't sell the property. And with Fund and Grow, it worked out a little bit better because I wouldn't have to pay any money for at least 18 months. Right now, I'm almost, at $12,000 in the hole but we're selling it now. But it's been a process.
Yeah, that's awesome. Okay, so as you can see, he even literally says he's paying $12,000 extra that he wouldn't have had to pay if he was just using business credit lines. They come with 0 interest for an average of 12 months. So you can really save a lot of money this way. And a lot of people don't really get that. So I wanted to just do a quick comparison to show you the difference between hard money and the cost of business credit, right? So with hard money, and don't make fun of me, I don't have the best handwriting. So with hard money, we're looking at usually 12% interest for a lot of beginners, especially. So let's just go with 10% interest to keep it simple. Okay, let's say we're doing a $100,000 hard money loan. Okay, with 12% interest. I'm sorry, let's do 10% interest. Okay, obviously that's going to cost you $10,000. Plus, there's usually 2 to 3 points for the origination fee on a hard money loan. So you're looking at $10,000 plus the 2 to 3 points on $100,000. That's going to bring it up to about $12,000 or $13,000. Okay, 2 points. Okay, and then that equals about $12,000 in interest and fees. Okay, now compare that real quick to business credit. Okay, so for business credit, you get 0 interest, average 12 months. So on 100,000, we're looking at no interest. The only thing you got to pay for is the 2.5% for the wire, right? So the wire transfer costs you 2.5% to send that money to the title company to close, just like you would if you were sending cash from your bank account. Same thing. We work with a third party who will charge the card and send the wire transfer to the title company. Now you're closing as a cash buyer. And that right there, obviously, is going to cost you 2.5% of 100,000, $2,500. Okay, so $2,500 is all it will cost you to send that money and close a $100,000 deal versus $12,000 in fees and interest with a hard money loan. Now, the only other kicker here is if you're paying Fund&Grow, if you're a client with Fund&Grow, then you're paying us our service fee as well. Let's add our service fee in. Normally it's $4,000. We do offer a discount if you go to the link in the description. There's a discount there. It's a $500 discount, and you'll get that link in the description, and then there'll be a little webinar you can watch, and then there'll be an offer at the end with a $500 discount. So $3,500 for Fund&Grow, and that's a 12-month membership fee. It'll get you 3 rounds of funding up to and over $250,000. Let's take $2,500, add that with $3,500, and what's that? Obviously, that is $6 total. So that is your total costs right there with business credit and paying Fund&Grow our service fee versus $12,000. So now you can see I broke it down for you. It's very clear. You know, there's nothing to hide here. This is the reason why we have so many clients that are real estate investors, just like myself, who want to use business credit, get more deals done, avoid a hard money lender, save yourself a lot of money. Literally, you can save $10,000 to $12,000, especially if that takes an additional several months. You're paying every month interest, so you could be saving a good $10,000 if you start using business credit. Now it's up to you. I hope you liked the video. Feel free to subscribe, smash the like button, and hit that notification bell so you get notified of other videos that we're putting out. We're going to be doing a lot more, so we hope you like this one, and stay tuned until next time. All right, thanks, guys. Have a good one.